morning friends. Here I will give some basic knowledge about what is electrodes. Uh, the electrode is a metal wire that is coated with some material. Normally the electrode is made up of materials with a similar composition of the metal being welded. For example, if we weld a carbon steel, the electrode composition should be equal to what we have to be welded. For welding electrode classification numbers, this system is adopted by American Welding Society. Normally electrodes designation starts with E. E indicates the electrode. There are 4 digits. First 2 digits indicates the tensile strength of the material. This is normally in terms of pounds per square inch. The third digit indicates the position of the weld. Normally this will be 1, 2 or 3. Fourth digit indicates the coating and welding current. For example, if first 2 digit indicates 60, this means the tensile strength of the material is 60,000 psi. You have to multiply with 1000 to get the tensile strength of the material. Third number indicates the position of the welding electrode. If the number indicates 1, this electrode can be welded in all positions. If it means 2, this welding electrode only for flat and horizontal positions. If it means 3, this electrode should be used for flat positions only. Fourth digit indicates the which type of coating to be used and what is the polarity of weld current. If last digit is 0, the type of coating current to be used are determined by the third digit. There are 3 types of coating available. One is bare electrode, that means there is no flux coating. Second one is light coated electrode. Here the thickness of the flux is minimum. And third one is shielded or heavy coated electrode. These are all commercially available electrode sizes. Non-consumable welding electrodes for gas tungsten arc welding process are, that means stick process. There are 3 types of tungsten electrodes. One is pure tungsten, 2 tungsten containing 1 to 2% thorium. Third one is tungsten containing 0.3 to 0.5% zirconium. These tungsten electrodes can be identified by end marks. That means the end marks are painted. If it means green, that is a pure tungsten. Yellow means 1% thorium. If paint marks is red, 2% thorium. Brown means 0.3 to 0.5% zirconium. And molten metal is exposed to air. It absorbs oxygen and nitrogen from the atmosphere and it becomes brittle. A slag cover is needed to protect molten or solidifying weld metal from the atmosphere. This cover can be obtained from the electrode coating. There are 2 types of polarity. One is straight polarity, another one is reverse polarity. It's normally common terms for electrode negative and electrode positive polarity. Welding columns with the electrode positive polarity results in deeper penetration, while electrode negative, that means straight polarity, has the benefits of faster melt off and faster deposition rate. Different shielding gases may further affect the weld as well. This picture indicates the size of the tungsten electrode tip which is inside the gas cup. This ensures the quality of the welding. This tungsten welding electrode extension beyond the gas cup is determined by the type of joint being welded. For example, an extension beyond the gas cup of 3.2 mm might be used for butt joints, while extension of approximately 6.4 to 12.7 mm might be necessary on some fillet joints. The tungsten electrode of test should be inclined slightly and the filler metal added carefully to avoid the contact with the tungsten. This will prevent contamination of the electrode.